is it time to give your Remitly account an extra layer of security? Let's dive into how to change your password. First, navigate to the official Remitly website and log. In using your current credentials, you'll typically find the login fields prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your email address or phone number and your existing password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Account Settings or My Profile section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Click on this to open up your account management options. Within your account settings, you'll want to find the Security or Password Settings area. This is where you'll manage your login information. Click on the option that specifically mentions changing your password. Now, you'll be presented with a form. First, enter your current Remitly password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that only you can make changes to your account security. Next, it's time to create your new password for strong security. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. The website might even provide a password strength indicator to guide you. To avoid typos and ensure you've entered your new password correctly, you'll need to re-enter it in the Confirm New Password field. Make sure it matches your new password exactly. Once you've filled in all the required fields, find and click the Save Changes or Update Password button. This action will finalize the password change process. Congratulations! Your Remitly password has now been successfully changed, enhancing your account security. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider using a password manager for added convenience. If you ever forget your password, Remitly provides account recovery options. You can usually find these by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve verifying your identity through your registered email or phone number to reset your password.